Welcome to Critter Fun Facts, your quick, fun, and fascinating peek into the wild world of animals, from the cutest pets to the strangest creatures of the deep. Meet the blobfish, officially crowned the world's ugliest animal back in 2013, and honestly, no one's challenged its crown since. Imagine winning ugliest animal and holding the belt for over a decade. That's commitment. On land, it looks like someone microwaved a Jell-O mold and gave it a frown, but when you drop it 9,000 feet below sea level, suddenly that goo is held together by crushing pressure. Down there, the blobfish is less cartoon meltdown and more, let's say, presentable. Same fish, different lighting. So why does this poor creature look like it's constantly having a bad Monday? The answer is pressure. At nearly 9,200 feet underwater, there's about 400 times the pressure we feel on land. Down there, the blobfish's body is perfectly supported, but up here, with no water pressure hugging it tight, everything sorta deflates. Think of it like removing the air from a bouncy castle. Except sadder. What's really inside? A thick, gelatinous layer sandwiched between its skin and muscles. Basically deep-sea Jell-O, and yes, it wobbles. Scientists who handled them said if you pick up a blobfish by the tail, its gooey insides literally slide forward like soup in a bag. Most fish have a swim bladder, a little gas-filled organ that helps them float. Blobfish? Nope, no bladder. Instead, they rely on their squishy Jell-O layer to keep them from sinking like a rock. It's not perfect. They can't adjust buoyancy on the fly like other fish, but blobfish don't really need to. They're what we'd politely call sit-and-wait predators. Translation: professional couch potatoes. They find a rocky spot, flop down, and let dinner swim into their mouths. It's the Uber Eats strategy of the ocean. Now, if you're picturing a hidden powerhouse under all that blubber, brace yourself. Blobfish are not jacked. They've got very little red muscle, the kind that lets tuna cross oceans or humans run marathons. Instead, blobfish are packed with white muscle. White muscle is good for short bursts of energy, like lunging at a crab, but not much else. Think a sprinter who refuses to train for anything longer than 10 seconds. Their bones are just as unimpressive. Scientists call them poorly ossified, which is a fancy way of saying fragile. Less skeleton, more wet noodles. But here's the twist. Their jaws are the one area that's beefed up. Enormous jaws give blobfish their signature grumpy face and let them vacuum up prey in one big gulp. So what's on the blobfish menu? Pretty much whatever floats by. Scientists dissected blobfish and found an impressive buffet. Fish, brittle stars, hermit crabs, sea anemones, and even rocks. Yes, actual rocks. They also found plastic bags, which suggests blobfish might not be picky or bright. But here's the kicker. Some blobfish had octopus beaks in their stomachs, which means this soggy beanbag chair managed to eat one of the ocean's smartest predators. Take that, octopus. Score 1 for the underblobs. For something so floppy, blobfish might actually be tougher than they look. Scientists found sucker marks on their skin, signs of squid attacks. And their loose, jiggly skin? Turns out it makes them harder to grab. Imagine trying to wrestle a sack of pudding. Good luck. So next time you see a blobfish meme, remember, it's not just the world's ugliest animal, it's a master of deep-sea survival, armed with goo, jaws, and some serious patience. Ugly? Maybe to us, but in the deep ocean, it's beauty in blob form. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons to learn more critter fun facts in the future.